Welcome again to another exciting day. We have here an Anderson connector that has a capacity of 320 ampere, the big boy. It is rated at 600 volts AC, but it is designed for DC or direct current. We have the female and the male connector. These are sold separately. The main plug are not reversible. It does not fit. It only fits on just one side. It has two poles for the negative and the positive line. The female comes with its own handle. The male just for chassis mounting. No handle included. Let's check the female first. This one should have screw because it is a removable handle. The external housing is made up of fully carbonate PBT blend. It is an acid proof for battery chemicals, impact resistance, the screw can be removed for cable entry. Cable used for this are battery cable or simply a welding cable, a high ampere welding cable. This will lock the battery cable in place. These are the screw. We can remove the internal component just pulling this connector. Just use a small flat cord and push it out. To release. It has two massive connectors which can carry the battery cable. The size is 2/0 and 4/0. That is 70 mm and 95 mm. This can be removed. Just pull it out. just pull it out like that, and that. Okay, let's put it here. These two are silver plated copper. The inside has a voltage indicator which has a minimum of 24 volts, 36 volts, 48 volts, 72 volts. What else? There is a 96 volts, 80 volts. Yeah, that's it. This one is used for an indicator like that. Can be seen here. If you can see, you just flip it like that and the voltage become different. And indicator also, you need to change this one. If this is 24 volts, this should be 24 volts also, or it will not slide to this area. Just like this. This is 24 volts. We're going to change it to a 72 volts. If you put it in, it will not slide to this one. It will lock. So it is a primary protection before you hear the kaboom. That's what's inside. And that's for the male. How about the female? Oh, sorry. This is the female. This is the male. Let's open the male. This is the load side. Same locking mechanism for cables. Just remove 2 screws. And that's it. That's for the cable. To remove this, same as the female connector, just put a flat screw like that and push it out. Like that. Then it's out. Okay, move. These are the 2 fall connectors, same capacity. It says here socket positive. and remove it, same as the female. It's like that. It's a massive. Check it out. This would be the load. This is the load. This is the line side, and it goes like that. Same materials, silver coated copper, so that it protects from oxidation. This one has the same voltage indicator, meaning it should be served as like that. If different voltage goes in, it will not. So it should be same. If you change the assignment of the load side, you should change although the assignment of the line side. See, same. So let's put it back again. We are using right now an 80 volts, so this will should be indicate an 80 volts. This is the holder, and if you see this, if you check this out, it's the same as the female holder. No difference, I think. Yeah, no difference. So like that, like that. It is not reversible. Cannot put inside. It's like that. So this is the positive pin. Indicates positive here. Just push it. Until it reaches to this lock. Right? So you can see it here's an 80 volts. Just remember, the connector itself is a crimp type, so you need a crimper tools to install it. It is not a screw, it's a crimp. This has a cable locking mechanism, 2 screw, next is the line side, also this one. Same, you need to check the 80 volts before you put it in. Need to check the 80 volts. There you are. It's 80. So see, you can see the 80. Then put the pins and push it until it locks. It's moving a little bit, but still good. Next, check it if it fits, because it should fit. Has the same voltage. See, it fits. This one has also a locking for the line side. It is easier to find a welding cable than a battery cable. So mostly they use this, they use the wire, they use the welding cable for this. And these are used for forklift, industrial chargers, heavy equipment with heavy battery pack, and also UPS. So this one has only the handle. Yep, this is what it locks for. This. Okay. We don't need to tighten this one because we're going to use this later. We need to install the battery first. And check it out. If you push it, see, we advise that before pulling this out, turn off the breaker first, or the cut off before pulling it, to prevent sparks. Pull it just such. Pull it. We're good.